Okay, how can I differentiate it's a file or a directory? Okay, how can you differentiate? So you can see world is a file or a directory. How can you say? Starting with, we will look this one. This is the permissions. This is the field we will look, and we say decide first bit. Oh, it's a D. It's a directory. If it is a file, it is start with the hyphen. Okay, and other people said, okay, I have like a mkdir dir1. How many directories I have now? Two directories, right? So again, people say, okay, what about the color? Like directory show like a blue color and file show like a green color. Now what happened? So how can you differentiate? Starting with the D, hyphen is the file. Okay. Now I got a requirement. How can I delete the empty, non-empty directory? Very good. RM space hyphen R. World I deleted. Okay. Hyphen R means recursively. Recursively means whatever inside this directory delete first and then delete the directory. How can I delete the empty directory? Can I use the same command for empty directory?
Yes.
So you can use the same command for deleting the empty directory also. But if you want, you can use mkdir also. RMDIR also.
What will happen if you say RM and don't use minus R and then world?
It won't delete. So it will say like a complaint, oh, it's a directory. It is not a file. We will see. Now I got a requirement. I got a requirement to create the directory under directory, directory under directory, directory under directory, directory under directory. So in my home directory, I got a requirement to. So what happened if I move from my tablet? The voice get bad or? You guys didn't watch the video?
Voice is clear. Video voice is clear.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
No disturbance, right?
No,
like if I move
no.
away. Okay, very good. So now I got a requirement. Create one directory in another. So I got a requirement to create the world directory under world, create the USA directory under USA, create the Illinois directory under Illinois, create the directory Chicago, create the directory Skokie. Okay, so how can I create it? Okay, MK dir. So world USA Illinois Skokie. I got this requirement to create the directory. So what happened? Okay, so what is the difference between this command and what is the difference between this command? What is the difference between these two commands?
The first one will go under home directory, user home directory. The other one will
First
go
one
under,
you go
under
create
root.
And the second one you go into that.
Second one will create in say
On the
where
root.
you are located. Start making directory and the second one you are making directory in root, right?
Under root.
Second one I am making directory in the root.
Yes.
Can I make a directory in the root?
No. No.
Can I?
No.
No.
No. If it is say it is starting with the slash means you are trying to do something in the root. You as a regular user, you don't have permission to create the directory under root. Sir, you can take this. You want share, right? So you don't have permission to create directory under root. But what this means? What is the first? If I remove the, what this means?
You are making directly under root.
I am making directory under
My home.
my present working directory, right? Wherever I am. Okay? It doesn't matter. It is my home directory. It is I am in the temp. I am in some other home directory. Wherever I am trying to create the directory world there. Right? So this is the directory structure I want to create. But if I do here, it's complaint. What it's complaint? Make dir cannot create directory. World, USA, Illinois, Skokie, no such file or a directory. So here what happening, when you run this command, first it's try to create the directory called Skokie. The operating system thought this directory is already exist. This directory is already exist? No, right? But the operating system thought, oh, this directory is exist. Let it create this. So then, oops, not found. So here, understand the concept. One more concept. Skokie. Parent of Skokie, which directory? Very good. The parent of the Skokie directory is the Illinois directory. Who is the parent of the Illinois? USA. Who is the parent of the USA?
World.
World. Who is the parent of the world?
My home directory.
Very good. Present working directory. Right? Which one? Present working directory. Who is the parent of the world? am3. Who is the parent of the home? am3. Home.
Home.
Who is the parent of the am3?
Home.
Home. Who is the parent of the home?
Root.
Root. Got the concept? Parent and child. Right? Very good. So now, I said, this is the command, this is the directory structure I want to create. And how can I create in the single command? There is a multiple ways I can create it, right? You know, how can I create it? mkdir,
Each other and enter.
yes, world, then go into the directory, world, right? Then I create the directory USA, then go to the USA and check where you are, then create directory Illinois, then go to Illinois and create directory Skokie, right? Go to Skokie. I got my requirement, right? I fulfill my requirement. Did I?
Yes.
But think about it. If you are sitting beside your colleague and you said, "Hey man, let's create this directory structure." If you are doing this thing, what he will think?
This guy don't know.
Yes.
Because he's entering and doing everything.
Yes.
You can do the one line.
Yes, you can do the one line. So here again, I'm when you hit enter CD, you are back to your home directory. It doesn't matter where you are. So I am back to my home directory. There is a world. I said, okay, I'll delete world. I will recreate it in whole in the single command mkdir -p. Okay, world, USA, Illinois, Skokie. What this means? -p means create parent if does not exist. Right? So what it will do? It will try to create the Skokie first. Oh, parent, who is the parent? Illinois is not exist. Okay? Oh, it's try to create the Illinois. Parent, USA is not exist. It try to create the USA. Oops, world is not exist. Then it create world, USA, Illinois. it will create parent if it is not exist. Okay? Created? Clear? Okay. Again, I got a requirement to create another directory structure. World, USA, California, San Diego. Okay? Under world, USA, under USA, California directory, CA directory, under CA directory, San Diego directory. Let's create it. Come on, tell me the command.
hyphen B world USA
Huh? Done? Very good. Let's go to the directory. World, USA, California, San Diego. So what option we use here? Hyphen P. Okay. We created with the hyphen P. Let's understand some more concept here. There is a two different types of pathing. There is two different types of pathing. One is called the absolute and another is called the relative. One is called the absolute, another is called the relative. Okay? So let's learn what is absolute path, what is relative path. Then we will learn some more commands. Okay? The path, I say the definition of absolute path is the path starting with the root, means slash, forward slash. The path starts with forward slash root. This is our root, right? Start with the root. It's an absolute path. Right? So, what is this path? It's an absolute path or relative path? Huh? Okay, what about this path? What about this path? Huh?
if you are in world, if you the working directory world, it means gonna be relative.
What?
If working directory is world, it's a relative.
I don't care what is working directory here. What is this? It is an absolute path or relative path? This is relative path. What is this? This is absolute path. Why is this is absolute path? Very good. Starting with the slash root. Clear? Okay. Any questions? No questions, right?
If you want to go to the San Diego directory, you cannot do the only CD and then San Diego. You have to type the whole.
Yes, you have to go through the path. So if you want to go to Chicago downtown, just you can go from here to there. You disappear from here and just appear there. No, right? You have to go from the path. Okay? Same here. So I want to go to the San Diego directory. Tell me the command. CD
slash world
slash world
slash
Just
US
world.
slash US.
No, it's not what. No,
Starting
we're
from what?
just what we don't
just
USA slash California slash San Diego.
clear, sir? Why did you say slash?
Because we are not
Wait,
that.
sir.
Because we are going to the relative path, not the absolute path.
Okay, if I said like a, please, nobody. If I say go to the San Diego using the absolute path,
You still have to write the same thing.
tell me the command.
Slash home, slash anything, slash world, slash USA,
Very good.
California, slash
San Diego. Very good. This is the absolute path. Okay. I will back to my home directory. Okay. And now tell me the relative path to go to the San Diego directory.
world, slash USA, slash California, slash San Diego.
Very good. Got it? I cannot use slash world.
Okay.
If I say slash world, what it means?
You are going to do
Yes, I'm looking, I'm expecting world directory exists in the root, not in present working directory. Right? Any questions? Please create the directories. USA, world, USA, Illinois, Skokie, and same the way I created. Create this directory structure and create this directory structure. This directory structure, this directory structure. I will give you 2 minutes.
But what if you are?
Now you guys know about the absolute versus relative. Sir, she help you?
Yeah.
You clear? Okay. So now we know what is absolute path, what is relative path. If I call you 3 in the morning and ask what is absolute path, start from the root. And what is relative path?
start from any directory.
Start from your present working directory. Okay. Now our fun begins. Okay. Now we are going to learn our cp command, copy command. Okay. How can we copy the files from one location to another location? Okay. Cp is the command. So the syntax for this command is cp space source, whatever is your source. Your file is exists under the /tmp. So cp space /tmp / my file, again source space destination or target. Okay, so it has to be space in between. Okay, so this is the way cp command work. Now I have this file, right? I want to copy my test file into a Skokie directory. Okay, I want to copy my test file. This is my test file. Where I want to copy? Under Skokie. What is the path for the Skokie? And using absolute path. Who wants me to give answer? Yes.
So which file you want to test file?
This file, test file.
Okay, CP test file name.
I want absolute.
The first you have
Home
to
slash
okay. Home MIT. Home MIT.
Slash, not home.
Slash
Home
slash
/a/matin slash
world,
test file.
test file
Space. Again, slash home MIT world.
world,
USA,
clear? Right? It's copied. How can I check if it is copied or not?
to go to that home,
Do I have to go to the directory or I can do the ls from here?
LS from here.
I will do the ls from here. ls
space
World, or you need
I'm doing ls in the Skokie directory. The file copied?
yes.
Yeah, it's copied. Right? Now, who's going to tell me how to copy using the relative path? Sir. I want to copy my fruits file into San Diego directory using relative path. Yes, sir. CP? Huh?
file name. I mean fruits. If you are inside the fruits and space and world. California, what?
USA.
USA, California.
Clear? So I use here the relative path and earlier I used the absolute path. Okay. Now I have a fruits file under World, USA, California, San Diego. I want to copy from San Diego directory to Skokie directory. I want to copy it from here, from where I am, present working directory.
You just go there with the copy.
I don't want to go there, sir.
I'm just saying with the you start from copy, but you have some path. You show the path and then file name and space and again the path.
Nora, you want to tell the command? Sir, Javed sir,
Yeah.
you want to tell?
Yeah, CP.
CP?
Fruits.
I want to use absolute path.
CP slash.
No, I want to copy the fruits file from the San Diego directory, not from my home directory. Okay? To Skokie directory.
Okay, slash home slash a
Slash home slash amateen
slash world slash USA slash California slash San Diego. File name.
fruits. Then
Where do you want to copy?
I want to copy in the Skokie directory.
Slash home slash Unity slash world slash USA slash Illinois slash Skokie.
How can I verify the file get copied or not? Clear? So this is the way I can copy. Okay. Everybody clear? Everyone is clear? Now let's check the different scenarios. Okay? Now I want to copy file 1 in the San Diego directory using the relative path. Asma,
Like file one.
yeah,
Space where are we gonna copy?
in San Diego.
So
Huh?
no word. In slash USA slash Illinois slash Skokie. San Diego.
Copied, right? Very good. File 1 is copied. Now I want to copy file 1 from San Diego to Skokie directory using relative path. CP
World slash USA slash IL slash Skokie.
clear? Very good. Now I will go to Skokie directory now. In my home directory, there is a file too. I want to copy in my Skokie directory. I am already in the Skokie directory. Who wants me to tell the command using the absolute? File 2. Yes.
Just dot. Space dot.
I said I want to use this absolute. Clear? Copied. Now I have error.log file. I want to copy using the relative path in my Skokie directory. I said relative path. Slash means absolute.
Can we use that?
You can't do that.
Huh?
You can't do that because you're in Skokie.
Can we use that?
We can do that. So here again there is a concept here. Dot means present. Wherever you are in the directory, if you say dot means you are referring to the directory. Dot means parent of the present directory. So if I said where I am here now,
You're in Skokie.
That.
where I am here now, Skokie. If I said cd space dot.
You go one dot.
So what it means? Go one directory, go to the parent of the present. If I do cd dot, where I will go? Again I will say cd dot. Again I said cd dot. Again I say cd dot. am3, right. Again I will go back to my Skokie, right?
So copy dot.
Wait. So I want to go to my home directory directly in the single command. Yeah, that's true. Fine. CD enter. But other using the relative path, how can I go? CD dot slash means I'm in which directory now? Again, if I say dot slash, I'm in which directory now? Dot. I'm which directory now? Dot.
Enter.
I'm which directory now?
Home.
am3, right? Okay. Then I will go back to my last directory. Now I have a file error.log in my home directory. I want to copy in the Skokie directory. I am in the Skokie directory. Who wants me to tell the command?
CP
cp
space dot slash dot slash.
One more in space. File name.
then what?
And then
Dot.
dot.
Only one dot.
Again dot. Just dot. Yeah. That's
Got it? So I will give you 5 minutes to practice this. So in Unix, parent directory represent dot. Present working directory represent dot. It doesn't matter where you are. Suppose I am in the Skokie directory, I can represent the Skokie directory by dot. If I say dot means here, right away here. If I say dot means my parent. Again, if I go to the one directory up and say dot means Illinois. It was Skokie before, now it is Illinois. And if I say dot, it means USA. Clear? So dot means present wherever in your Unix shell. And dot dot means parent of your Unix directory. Okay? So, I'm in Skokie directory, right? Rafe, I want to go to the Illinois directory. How can I go? Using the dots. CD? Huh? CD? Space? Dot dot, right? CD space dot dot if I want to go to the Illinois directory, because I don't want to enter whole thing. Right? I'm in Illinois directory. If I want to go to USA directory, got it? You got it, sir? One directory, yes. Only one directory. What? You got it, sir? Okay. So, let me cover again. Okay? Now I'm in USA directory. Okay, I will go back to again Illinois directory and Skokie directory, right? Okay? So if I say, Rafe, if I want to go to USA directory, can you tell me the how can I go in using dots? CD? Huh? Space? Dot dot? Slash? Dot dot? It doesn't matter slash or not. I'm in USA directory. Clear? So same using this. I'm back in my home directory. I want to copy, there is a count.sh file is there. I want to copy this file. I will go back to my okay. I want to copy the count.sh file. How can I copy? Rafe. It is exists in my home directory. Home am3. How can I copy? Rafe, come on. Sir, tell. Using relative path, dots. No, file is exist in the my home directory, right? I have to go to the home directory back, right? Using dots. CP. Very good. Dot dot. CP dot dot means. Please don't tell anybody. Please. CP dot dot slash. Then I want to go till my home directory slash home am3. Can you tell me the path?
Yeah,
Please. Rafi. Dot dot slash means now I am in which directory? Sir, your name is Rafi. I am in which directory now? Okay. If I say again dot dot, I am in which? Very good. Dot dot slash. Very good. In am3 I have a file called com.sh, I want to copy that. Right? Where I want to copy? Present directory, wherever I am. How can I represent it? Clear? I will give you some time practice. 2 minutes I will give you practice. Okay. What we learned so far? How to copy the file. Let's learn how to copy the directory. Right? Okay. Before going to copy to the directory, what I will do from here, let's see who you know how many people understand. I want to go to San Diego directory using relative path. CD? Huh? Where I am here.
Oh, you're in
So, brother, I know you know. Please.
Roots.
Relative path
You wanna go where?
to San Diego using the relative path. CD //
One more.
Yes, you're saying the answer, right?
Yeah, and then double that again. And then California / San Diego.
Clear? Now I want to go to Skokie, back to Skokie.
CD space hyphen.
Now I want to go back to San Diego.
CD space hyphen.
Without CD space hyphen. This pathing concept is very important. Okay? Little bit tricky, I can understand. But if you didn't understand, let me know, I will help you. So this is very important. Because what we have in the whole Unix operating system, only directories. We just go from one directory to another directory, that's it. Whole directory, no right click, no left click. Right? So this concept is very important. Just you have to remember, whatever the directory you are in, you can represent with a single dot. The parent of the present where you are, you represent with the double dot. And if you want to go one more directory back, again double dot. Again double dot. Clear? Okay. Now I want to copy Skokie directory in the San Diego directory. CP using relative path. Huh? What? Mines are hyphen R, very good. Hyphen R, because when you copying the directory, you have to use hyphen R. Same like when you are deleting the directory, you have to use with the hyphen R with the rm command, right? Here, whenever you are dealing with the directory for the copying the directory, use the hyphen R command. Then what? Huh? I want to copy in the California directory.
The double point / point.
Oh, just double point. dot means San Diego, double dot means California, right? So if I CD back to go back to California directory, you will see Skokie. Right? So now I want to move this Skokie directory to San Diego directory, not copy. What is the difference between copy and move?
Copy with the original.
Copy means you're copying your source. Moving means you're moving the one location to the another location. How can I move? Move Skokie. I want to move in the San Diego.
You have to use the R key.
No. Yes, no, not half an hour. Then, if you go into the San Diego directory, you will see the Skokie. Now, I want to rename the Skokie directory. I want to rename the Skokie directory to LA directory. How can I rename the Skokie to LA directory? MV same. Clear? Moving from one location to another location, MV command. Renaming the files or directories, same MV command. Clear? Huh? Moving. So what I did here, there was a Skokie directory, right? I renamed to LA. How I rename? Move space slash Skokie space LA. Old name, new name. If you want to move from one location to another location, same MV command. I will give you 2 minutes, practice this MV.